So my name is Shelby Ford. I am the new wholesale director for the Ashtyn collection. I just moved here from Las Vegas. I've been a hairstylist for 6-7 years, something around there. Hair has always been my passion. Ever since I was a little girl, I would do Kool-Aid colors and haircuts on Barbie. So I knew from a very young age that hair was something I'm passionate about and that I love. I love making other people feel beautiful. And at the Ashtyn collection, we get to do that every day in an instant gratification. That's definitely who I am. I'm an instant gratification person. So I think that's why I really latched on to our company. I wanted to pursue, moving to South Carolina and doing this full time. It's very exciting for me. So with my new position, we are in the wholesale department. My position is to find salons that have the same passion and drive for our company that we do. We want to make sure that they care about the client and will help the client in any way, just like we would here in South Carolina. We're really excited about it because now we're going to approach things from an education standpoint. Because I do have the knowledge as a hairstylist, I also have an education background of teaching different different extension methods. So it's really exciting to me to build an educational material for our amazing wholesalers that we're going to have now and in the future with the Ashtyn collection. The experience of the East Coast tour was so amazing. Not only did I really get to meet the women that I'll be working with, and I mean, when you spend 12 days traveling with 3 other women, you really get to know each other.
Okay, so where are we going?
The White House. We're here. We got hair.
Yep. We're taking over.
We're taking over DC.
Oh, ice cream truck.
It was an amazing experience getting to go to different cities, and they're all cities I've never been to. I had never been to the East Coast and had always wanted to go to all of these cities actually, and to see the women at each event and the personalities and the opportunities to really help women. It was just profound. Like, that's the only thing I can say. It was profound. Getting to change lives one city at a time was amazing. Educational opportunities that I had in the teaching moments. I think it is incredibly important. Actually, I think it's our responsibility as stylists, whether you're behind the chair or you are a Ashtyn collection stylist, to educate your guests so that they go home feeling amazing. I can give you this amazing full volume extension, but if you go home and you don't feel you can properly blow her out or set her on a mannequin stand properly or even just apply her properly, I'm not setting you up for success. So to me, to make sure that they have every aspect of knowledge when they take their new piece home, and they can feel confident when they leave my chair, but also a year, 2, 3 years down the line with their piece. On the East Coast tour, we had Miss Patty, who's our brand director. Her and I shared a room, and then we had 2 of our interns, Mackenzie and Emily. We had so much fun. I was pleasantly surprised. Philadelphia is my favorite city. The vibe of the city is something I've never experienced. I really loved it. And then the event we had there was amazing as well. Really, the events we had in every city were amazing. You should come see us on tour because this is an amazing opportunity for us to educate you on the piece, to fit you to your perfect piece. You get the full Ashtyn collection experience. And when I say experience, it is just that. We make sure that you have everything perfect. We cut it for you, we help you style it, we help you show, how to blow it out, how to take care of it, how to get your life out of your piece. And it's a fun environment. Getting to meet, depending on which tour dates you go to, you might get to meet Ashtyn herself, as well as the hair hunt Christopher, and a number of our stylists. We make sure that all of our stylists have the kind, caring, compassionate heart, as well as the education to make sure that you leave with a piece that is absolutely perfect for you. So you should select the Lauren Ashtyn Collection Extension, Volume Extension over any other company because we have the most amazing product. Our hair quality is bar none. So our hair is triple hand knotted to our braidable mesh. This is important because it's going to ensure security for the hair, the most natural effect no matter where the wind blows, however you part your hair, as well as the longevity of your piece. We say that with proper care and maintenance, this piece will last you 3 years. For our price point, that is truly amazing. And as somebody coming from another education standpoint on other extensions, 3-year lifespan is phenomenal. Our hair looks amazing, it feels amazing. The 4 clips are secure without damage. So Lauren Ashtyn herself designed every single one of our pieces to make sure that they would not provide damage to anybody's hair. You literally have hair in an instant. They're truly amazing, and we have 26 different colors that I know we can find one for you.